Okay, let's try this place out. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and today we're reviewing a place called Super Bowling in Envigado. Now this place is, I would say, a great place for a higher end first date or just a night out with friends or family. And I want to give you guys a second just to look through the place before I started talking, because it is quite the spectacle. Another cool thing about this place is that on the weekends you have live entertainment. Now this is my first time, so I can tell you that sometimes it's a live band, sometimes it's a DJ, a lot of the times it's a DJ. This particular night, as you can see, we had salsa performances as well as a live performer and a DJ, so we got all three that night. Something noteworthy about this place is that they actually serve food. Now, a couple times I've been here, I've actually never been able to bowl. I've always showed up too late to actually reserve a lane, so every time I've only eaten here. And of course, you come during the weekends when all the action is going on. Now, the food wasn't amazing, but it was pretty good. Now, this place is a bit of a high-end place, so the prices were a little up there, but I didn't feel like it was crazy. So let me know, based on the little bit that you heard and from all that you've seen so far, does this place sound like somewhere you would want to go to?